All right. I am sure that you've been through this before. You've got your iMessage open, and all of a sudden, this box at the very bottom that has a camera icon, the iMessage, and the microphone disappears. So you can't respond to anybody because all of a sudden you have no place or no input field. What you want to do, first of all, is close down the app, then go down to the very, very bottom and click on the settings. After you get to the settings page, you're going to be clicking on the Messages tab. And once you're on the Messages tab, you're going to see this iMessage toggle. You will turn it off by swiping to the left, and then you're going to turn it back on. Then, after clicking on the app again, ta-da! Your iMessage box will reappear. Well, I hope this is helpful to you. For cellphonius.com and for the Cellphonius YouTube channel, this is Danny Alvarez checking out.